Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the music on your Instagram stories. So the music feature on the Instagram stories has been pretty buggy since it came out, and sometimes it just doesn't work, but I'm going to go ahead and show you where the music option should be to see if you have it or not, and then if you don't, I will give you some steps that you can take to hopefully fix your issue. So let's go ahead and open our Instagram account. And if we go ahead and swipe to the right, this is where you will make a story. And I'm just going to take a quick photo. And then on the top, the second option with the sticker with the smiley face, if you tap on that, you will see music on the third row, first column. But you can also search for it here and it will come up as well. Now, if this doesn't come up for you and it's not working for you, let's go ahead and go into your phone settings, and then you're going to go down to General, and then we're going to choose iPhone storage. Now, once this loads, we're going to find our Instagram app from the list, and once you find it, go ahead and tap on that. And what you want to do next is you want to tap on this offload app. Now, what this is going to do is basically uninstall the app and force it to update to newest update. What this will also do is that if you're experiencing a bug that's making your music option not work, this will actually fix that bug as well. So once you offload the app, that exact button will turn into reinstall the app, and go ahead and choose reinstall app as well. And it doesn't delete any of your data or anything like that, but it will free up the storage and force the app to update itself and hopefully fix those bugs. So I hope this helped you guys out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.